Sorry. Kung meron po mga allegations na may threat daw po sa House leadership dahil po hinahandle yung pong DPWH budget sa BICAM na i-retain yun pong budget ng DPWH pero gusto raw po ng may mga nagbabanta raw kay Speaker, sa speakership at saka sa House Majority Leader.
Not to be candid about it, I'm wondering where all this information comes from. And in the House of Representatives, we are very solid in terms of our support to the leadership of the House. So nagtataka po kami kung bakit ito ay lumalabas sa ganitong balita sa labas na kukuha. So as far as the members of the House is concerned, we are supportive of the current leadership, Speaker Bonji P. and Majority Leader Sandro Marcos still enjoy the confidence and the trust of majority of the members of the House. So to give you a straight answer, there is no truth to that. Wala po any indication that would please validate that kind of information and rumor. Wala po.
Pero sa tingin sir, bakit may mga ganito po mga allegations? Meron din po kasing reports na meron po pinakamalaking insertions sa DPWH budget si Speaker and then the House APO chairperson. Tapos,
And kapatid ng approach.
But I have to clear that the nomenclature. It happens, the insertion happens in the BICAM naman talaga. But and as far as the HCAP is concerned, we've done the process out in the open. Like everything that we did during the committee deliberation was televised, was live streamed. All the adjustments in terms of the funding allocation for per line items of every agency in the government under the NEP was done publicly. It was live streamed. So it was actually the result of the HCAP was actually the result of the collective wisdom and the eventual approval of the House as to the amount of each of the line items presented under the NEP, which was again modified and amended by virtue of the proposal of the Committee on Appropriations, which was eventually approved by the House of Representatives. Ito po yung naging HCAP. So the nomenclature that was used as insertion, kailangan po natin yung i-correct. Kasi kung ano po yung mga nag-reflect po sa HCAP ay pinagputuhan at nag-undergo po sa legal na proseso at nakita naman po ng taong bahay kung paano ito pinag-usapan.
Kung may